Next we have law of constant proportions, which is present on page number 32 of your textbook. Law of constant proportions, also known as law of definite proportions or law of constant composition, is stated by Proust as in a chemical substance the elements are always present in a definite proportions by mass. Let's discuss this with the help of an example. Now students, we know that water is a compound which is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, and in one molecule of water we know that there are two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So basically one molecule of water is made up of two parts of hydrogen, that is two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Now students, you will be going to learn very soon that mass of one atom of hydrogen is 1, whereas mass of one atom of oxygen is 16. That means total mass of hydrogen present in water is 2 into 1 because there are two atoms of hydrogen, and total mass of oxygen present in water is 1 into 16 as only one atom of oxygen present in water, which means the ratio of masses of hydrogen and oxygen present in water is 2:16. In simplified form it is 1:8. In short, we can say hydrogen and oxygen, when they combine together to form water, they combine in the ratio 1:8 by mass, which means for 1 gram of hydrogen 8 gram of oxygen is required to form water. For 2 gram of oxygen 16 grams will be required, that is 2 into 8. For 3 grams 3 into 8, that is 24 grams oxygen is required, and for 4 grams it will be 4 into 8, that is 32 grams of oxygen required, and so onwards, which means in short means hydrogen and oxygen will always combine in the ratio 1:8 by mass to form water. Similarly, for every other compound also, elements will be present in a fixed ratio of their masses. This is the law of definite proportions. Now let's understand question number 2 on page number 33 of your textbook. Question is, hydrogen and oxygen combine in the ratio 1:8 by mass to form water. What mass of oxygen gas would be required to react completely with 3 gram of hydrogen gas? Now students, since hydrogen and oxygen are present in 1:8 by mass, then according to law of definite proportions, for 1 gram of hydrogen gas, oxygen required will be equal to 8 grams, which means for 3 grams of hydrogen gas, oxygen required will be equal to 3 into 8, that is equal to 24 grams. Now students, a British chemist, John Dalton, provided the basic theory about the nature of matter. He picked up the idea of divisibility of matter, and he took the name atoms as given by the Greeks and said that the smallest particles of matter are atoms. In other words, atoms are the smallest particles of the matter, and his theory was based on laws of chemical combinations, which is also known as Dalton atomic theory. This theory is present on page number 32 of your textbook. On the right hand side, that is second column. Note down students that you do not have to do this theory, as this theory has been removed from your syllabus. Also, question number 3 and question number 4 on page number 33 has been deleted from your syllabus.